Puppies, how are you? Oh, no. Okay. Come on. Hi, Luna. How are you? You went viral. Did you know that? Did you know that? Did you know that? Did you know that? Hi. Hi. Hi, Ender. You're going to a new home soon. Yes, you are. Yes, you are going. I'm going to a new home. Let's go, puppies. Ready? Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Hi. Hi, puppies. Hi. Oh, I love you too, Luna. Hi, Remy. Hi. Luna, you look so much better. You had your bath today, didn't you? Good girl, Remy. Hi, Luna. Ah, it's raining out. I didn't even notice that. Hi, Poppy. Hi. Hi. Luna, where are you going? Let's see if I can find a toy. Ow. Hey, you're being mean. Oh, you're so cute. You are. You are so cute. You're such a cutie pie. Why are you so cute? Yum, 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 yum. Luna, follow Pops. Come on, let's follow Pops. Can you catch me? You can't catch me. Can't touch this. Ow! You caught me. How are you? Pretty good. That's good. Hi, Remy. Hi, Rems. Hi, girl. How are you? How are you? You're so cute. You like butt scratches, don't you? You just love scratches. Sky, come. Come here, girl. Sky. Hi, Luna. Sky, come on. Sky. Where's Bo? Oh, wait, no, he's not here today. He's in Montana. No, he's not. Do you know where he is, Remy? Do you know? Do you know where he is? Do you know? Do you know where he is? Good touch. Touch, touch. Good girl. Hi, Luna. You graduated from puppy school, didn't you? Didn't Luna graduate from puppy school, huh? Did you graduate? Did you and Bo graduate? Did you? Did you? Yes, you did. Yes, you did graduate. Oh, hi, Remy. You just want some love. Ah, it's the camera. No. Ah, Remy. No. Brems. You gotta be shaking. You just love to be loved. How come you don't have a home yet? It's so surprising to your papa. I am basically your papa at this point, because I'm the only one who even plays with you. You need a home, don't you? You'll get your home. Oh, thank you for the kisses, my baby girl. Thank you. Thank you. Sky, come. Come say hello to your children. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here, Sky. Hello. How are you? Remy, was that you? Sky. You're just avoiding your children at all costs, aren't you? What is it? Because they're only half you? They're only 50% golden retriever? And half poodle? Hi, Remy. Why are you licking a tree? Hello. Remy. Come here, Remy. Come here. Oh, you good girl. You are. Oh, Luna, I know. You want some attention. It's not like you get loved every day. It's probably so difficult for you, huh? Puppies. Why are you always eating apples from the neighbor's tree? Luna? Come here. Come on. Go sit. Go sit. I didn't even tell you to sit. You're just a good girl. You notice it. Sky, come here. You're taking after your children. Or maybe your children are taking after you. You're such a good mom. You can eat your apple. Don't let Ender steal it. He's a thief. Nah, he's... Hi, Remy. Do you like your apple? Oh, it's starting to rain hard now. I'm just trying not to turn off the record by accidentally touching a button. I'm just like cover the camera now. Most notes gets camera wet. Hi, puppies. Hi. Put my hood up. There we go. I just kind of have to lean over this. Hi, puppies. Remy, how come you don't have a home? I thought for sure you'd be one of the first to sell. You're so much better than your sisters who have already sold. Sold. That's how you say it, not stolen. Oh. Hi. Luna, seriously, that's your 4th apple. How hungry are you? Sky, you ate your entire apple. Stop looking for something that's not there. Luna. You just left your random apple? You finally got full? Is that what happened? My puppy. Oh, you're gonna be all wet when you go inside, aren't you? You get a bath today already. We're gonna have to brush you now. All of you. And also get mats in your hair, and then your skin will get all itchy, and it would not be healthy for you. Would it? Oh, thank you for the kisses. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. The camera's getting all wet again. Uh-oh, we zoomed in. This looks funny. One. Well, looks like we're stuck at a 0.5. Because I can't adjust the camera. Hi, Bubby. Aw. You eating leaves now, Ender? There's an apple right there. Like, the puppies are strange. See, now you're eating an apple. Luna, stop eating a leaf. It's starting to rain even harder now. That's not great. Gotta run these puppies for another 10 minutes. Come on, puppies. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. The noise is really... I could fall asleep listening to that, I'm not gonna lie. Puppies! Hi, Remy. Puppies, it's nice and dry under here. And you don't bully your sister. Keep zooming in on accident. There we go. Hi! Oh, hi, Remy. Oh, no, it's... I got hit in the eye. Right in the eye with some water. That's just awesome. Puppy goes up the stairs. Will the puppy come down the stairs? Remy, I have a question. How come you have a fear of stairs? Remy, why do you have a fear of stairs? Why? Sky, what are you doing? Stop eating grass. Sky, you've ate enough grass. Hey, stop bullying your sister, Bo. Or Ender. Hi. Hi, Luna. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. You want to say hello? Luna, don't bully your sister. Get off. Off. Luna, off. You know better. Ender, off. Good, off. Your puppies look like you're having fun. There is water dripping onto the camera again. Hey, didn't zoom in this time. Hang on. Can you see it? No. Off. Hey, Ender. Luna, off. Sit. Down. Sit. 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 No. No. Sit. Sit. No. Sit. Luna, sit. You don't want to listen to that, do you? Ender, off. Hey. What do you think you're doing? Hey, that's my favorite. Don't do that. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the love. Thank you. I love you too. I love you too, girl. You puppies ready to go in? Let's go. Let's go, puppies! Oh, shit. Shit. Pause.